guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So another site to invest money, doing nothing, just investing your money to earn up to $10,000 to $20,000. Just invest your money. The more you invest, the more percentage and the more interest you get in this site. So if you want to know this site, you need to first subscribe, like and share these videos for more, on the notification button for more videos. So let's go to the site. Let me explain for you carefully. So this is the site. You need to log in your account. So in this site, you need to invest your money in crypto. So you have to go to your USDT. So when you go to trading account, when you go to trading account, see, so invest. This is the box you have to invest. You have to deposit. So when you deposit in this place, you deposit up to like 10 USDT. You are earning with 0.64% of your $10 in within 24 hours. So interest that they will be receiving 19%. So within 24 hours you need to deposit. When you deposit up to like $100, deposit $100, but they will help you trade it your money automatically. They help you trade your money automatically. It's not you that will trade anything. You don't need to trade it. They help you to trade it. So for those that don't have mind to trade in this, they help you to trade your money, and you can never lose your money in this place. You can never lose it. So when you deposit money, the percent you collect, you just go to deposit. Minimum is 50 USDT. So when you deposit 50 USDT here, so 50 USDT, and the interest they'll be giving you is 64% of 50 USDT. So the interest you will receive is 0.0090% that you will receive. So if you want to withdraw your money straight to your and your commission, you put your commission here and the amount you want to do with your commission amount. When you deposit 50 USDT, and the more gain you add to it, the more profit you make. So they'll add it here and you will withdraw your money straight away to your USDT account. So don't forget to subscribe, like. Any question you ask it in the box. So no scamming, no fraud.